threat. Thunderstorms and heavy rain are expected to continue on Friday, and the watch may need to be expanded or extended. Thunderstorm chances will taper off on Saturday, but the respite will be brief. This protracted period of unsettled weather will continue with renewed thunderstorm chances throughout the upcoming week. The current time is 5:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time. You are listening to NOAA All Hazards Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service, station KEC 55, serving the Dallas-Fort Worth listening area. The following reports of weather temperature and wind were made at 5 p.m. DFW Airport, cloudy, 77, dew point 69, relative humidity 76%, wind south at 14, pressure 29.85 inches and steady. Fort Worth Meacham, cloudy, 76, south at 16. Dallas Love Field, cloudy, 79, southeast at 10. Arlington, cloudy, 78, southeast at 10. Denton, cloudy, 76, south at 17. Mineral Wells, cloudy, 75, south at 13. Elsewhere around the region, Wichita Falls, cloudy, 67, variable at 5. Abilene, cloudy, 83, south at 18, gusting to 28. Waco, light rain, 81, south at 17, gusting to 30.
Oh, there we go.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 118, effective until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time Thursday. This watch includes the following counties in Texas: Dallas, Denton, Parker, and Tarrant. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio.